So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So right here in this video, we'll be talking about this long-term project that we are going to be looking at how we can maximize it and make money online for ourselves. So as I'm talking to you right now, this platform has been working perfectly, and it's an NFT trading platform where you get to buy an NFT of your choice and hold it, while on daily basis you get certain percentage ranging from 1.98 to $2 2% rather on daily basis. So I'll be explaining so many things that you actually need to know about this particular project, how you can be able to participate and make a lot of money online for yourself. So I'll be introducing this platform right now. So first of all, when you get registered, you can come to the home page. So under the home page, we have the AASC NFT company information. So here there are a lot of things concerning the company which you might likely need to know about. So this is where you can read up about the company. So if you scroll down, you see it explains what NFTs are, and why you should choose AC NFT, which is an NFT trading platform. So which also you can read up about AC NFT rules. So these are the partners of this project. So we have Binance, MetaMask, and OKX, including Hobby. So these are popular exchange platform, so that we actually know about them, and most of us are using them for our NFT and cryptocurrency trading. So right here we'll be talking about this NFT trading platform, also how we can start making money immediately with this project. So I've been actually on this platform. I'll be following up on their Telegram, which you can actually follow up right here, and also on their Twitter you can follow up. Even on YouTube they have links down here, so you can actually click right there when you get registered and join, so that you can know when new NFT is introduced, and also when you have more offers to maximize. So now I'm going to go straight to the main point to explain much you need to know about this project. So guys, right now I am on my mine homepage. So here you get to see that there are a lot of options you might likely need to know about, and I'll be explaining them one after the other. So first of all, when you get registered, this is actually how your profile will look like. So all these things you are seeing here, including verify by rename. So I have actually done my verification for. So first thing you're going to do is to click right here and verify your rename, so that it will start showing verified by rename. So once it is verified, then you are set to go. Then you go ahead and bind your Google key. So you just need to go download Google Authenticator for those who do not actually know about Google Authenticator. So you can go ahead and download it from Play Store and get started and link your account with Google Authenticator, so that it will become more secure. Now if you want to use the app, because currently what I'm using is the SC NFT app, so you can click here after you have joined to download the app for easy access. Now this option that follows this is the withdrawal option. Once you have a lot of NFT in USDT to withdraw, you can go ahead and withdraw. Also your collection is also here. Your collection is right here. Your collection is where your NFT that you've actually purchased will be located. So you are going to be seeing them right here and see the current price level. So now if you want to add your withdrawal address, you come to this place and attach it. So that is all you have to do with that. Also, if you have also actually recharged, which we are going to do live right here, you can click here to see it. So these are the things you can also need to know. One other things that you actually need to know about is this sign in option. So right here you will be signing in every day, and in the next 26 days you'll be getting a free $5 for yourself. So as long as you are holding an NFT, you are eligible to earn every single day certain USDT for free by signing in every single day. So when you sign in the next 21 days, the platform will reward you $5 instantly, and you can withdraw it anytime. So that is all you need to know about that. So followed to that is this contact service option. So you can contact a customer service for more inquiries, and also you can join their group, which I have already shown you right now. So after that, what are we going to do? You need to recharge your account to get started. For you to start earning NFT and also purchasing NFT on this app, you need to recharge your account. But first of all, let's go through the market section to know what the market is made up of. So we click on this central button showing market. So once we are here, we can actually preview the NFT, and also we can see the already trading NFTs. So I think this is network. Let the page load up, then we'll scroll down and I'll show you a mind-blowing offers. So if you scroll down, let me actually show you something, guys. So these are the already trading NFTs you can actually buy and hold. So this is quite amazing, guys. Look at this particular NFT. So you can see that the initial price was 88.99 USDT. So if you had purchased this NFT, by now you should be having around $483 profit. So this is quite amazing. So this is one of the things that you need to see here that will be mind-blowing to you, and you also need to jump in right now and purchase one of the NFTs that I will be showing you, which will be available in the next few hours and also in the next few days. So if you also scroll up, you see that we have a Rap Family R. So this is the NFT name, and this NFT was purchased at the rate of 9.99. So you as a holder should be having around $48.98 within a few weeks of purchasing this NFT. So remember, NFTs have different increment on daily basis. So as you can see right here, this one has about 1.94% daily increment. So if you purchase this, be rest assured that every single day you'll be having some increment of the amount of the initial purchase price. So you can also scroll up, you see this particular one, the same was purchased 9.99. now currently we have $49. So had it been you were the one that purchased this, you would have made a lot of dollars. You would have tripled or made it 4 times your capital. So also this one has made a lot of profit for itself. So you can also see this one, 9.99, currently $47. So if you can also scroll up, you see this one, 9.99, $33. So you can actually buy this NFT and leave it right there to grow a lot of profit for yourself, and you can also withdraw anytime you wish to do that. So look at this one that is mind-blowing as well, 9.99, and currently it has yielded $91. So it's a lot of profits, guys. So this one, this platform has no loss. You don't actually think of losing your capital because it's a long-term project. So you are free to buy a lot of NFTs and hold them, and as well sell them and make your profit. So you can scroll and scroll and scroll. You see this one has made $108 from $9. So these are mind-blowing profits. So you see this a few days ago it has made additional $8 or so, and people are buying and buying and buying. So you see that this one has no leftover. So it has no leftover. So the total published was 300 pieces. So and people actually bought all of them, and currently there is no leftover. So to see how desperate people are always waiting to buy NFTs and make profit for themselves. So these are things you want to show you how you can make a lot of money with this project. So I will also show you the current one you need to actually jump in right now. So this particular one has made double. So it was initially $100, but currently it is $203 right now. So I'll be buying NFT right now. So I'll be depositing certain USDT and as well buy the current NFT that is available right now and leave it right there. So in the next video I'll be showing you how to make withdrawal, and you can as well follow up while I withdraw every single moment I introduce the next video about this project. So let me show you the current one. So to be able to spot the upcoming NFT that will be launched and you can be eligible to buy them, look at this countdown. So we have 24 hours left for new NFT to be updated on this website. So but right now, to see the upcoming ones, you need to click NFT preview to see it, so you can check it out right here. So let me click. Okay, it has opened. So you can see that the next coming NFT update is the one that will be launched soon. So, and it will be launched at a price of $50. So for the current one, you can jump in right now and grab the one of so you can see this one will be at $20. So, and it will be to be released at the total pieces of 599 pieces. So also you can scroll down and see other ones. $100 NFT will be published and 200 pieces will be released. So you have to act fast, guys. This will be on the 10th of this month. So this particular one will be released on the 5th of this month, and this one as well will be released I think on the 5th. So what do you need to do to get started if you have up to 30 USDT? So what I'm advising you to do is to jump in right now and click on this EASILY NFT trading. So you can click here, you see the already published one, so you can see it right now, and people have already purchased I think 399 and 388. 384 is already remaining. Now what do you need to do? Deposit 30 USDT, which I'm going to do right now, and then I'll show you how to buy this. So you go ahead and buy, click on this buy. So let me just quickly deposit money. So to get your account recharged, first you need to click on this recharge option. So just click on this recharge. Now what I'm going to do is to choose the currency, which is TRC20, and I'm going to put the amount, which is $30. Now I have to click on this pay. So once I click on pay, it will pop up this page. Let me copy it and make payment. Alright guys, so while I wait for the transaction to process successfully, I've actually withdrawn to my SC NFT trading platform right now. So it's processing, so you can see it right now. So while I wait for it to process completely, I will pause this video and show you how to buy the NFT right away. Okay guys, so successfully the deposit of 30 USDT has reflected right here in my balance. So I'll go ahead and purchase the NFT, which I'm going to show you how to do that. So go back to the market section, you click on this market, you will see this ACN FT trading. So ACN FT trading that has been released. So you can see it that it was released right now a few minutes ago. So the price is $30, and the total published is 399. So and the leftover, people are already buying it fast. So I'm going to click on this buy. So I'm going to click on this buy now to get started. So just tap on this buy and you wait for it to load up. So I'm going to wait for it to load up. I think there is a network fluctuation. So okay, so what I'm going to do is to put the amount, the quantity I want to buy, which is just one, and you can see the amount that I need to to make payment, which is going to be deducted from my balance, is 30 USDT. So I'll go ahead and click on this buy now. So okay, so I'll wait for it to process successfully. So guys, wait for it to process successfully. So you can see successfully exchange. So I have to now go back to mine to check my NFT collection to know what I'm holding. So I'll go to NFT collection right here. So you can see that I have my NFT collection, my collection here. So I'll tap right there and I'll view this now. So you can see, boom, it's already here. So the number of NFT I purchased is just 1, and the amount is just 30 USD. So once it keeps adding profit on daily basis and I want to withdraw, I can go ahead and click on this sell to sell my NFT, and the total profit and the capital will return to my balance again. So I will go ahead and withdraw it. So that is how to make money with this long-term project, guys. So I will drop the link in the description of the video. Quickly get it now and grab this particular offer so that you can be able to make money in the next few days. So thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel while I publish more videos like this. Thank you guys.